This video covers managing issues in the Hi Service portal. Alex is a customer admin on Hi for his company. He needs to check on the status of an issue he submitted on Hi, as well as his company's issues. Let's look at the options for managing issues on Hi. In the Hi Service portal, we can access open issues and closed issues, here under Issues. My Open Issues displays issues that the logged-in user has submitted, and Company Open Issues displays those submitted by anyone in the user's company. The data is displayed in a card view, grouping together all of the relevant information regarding the incident. The Closed Issues page provides all the same features, but only displays issues in the closed state. We can search either list by incident number or we can filter issues which have alerts. The filter will display the incidents that are in the state Solution Proposed or Waiting for Customer Action. An alert means that some action is required to move the issue towards resolution. In this case, Solution Proposed means that we can accept or reject the solution proposed by the agent working the incident. We can open the card for each issue to see more details without leaving the list view. Here we can see that the incident was associated with this problem and that there's a workaround available for this known error documented in this knowledge base or KB article. We can also sort issues by when they were last updated by support, the date opened, and the priority. Similar data is displayed in the Incidents and Problems pages if you prefer a list view. For more information, please see our product documentation, knowledge base, or podcast, or ask a question in the ServiceNow community.